Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Sichuan pepper. Sichuan pepper is a truly fascinating spice, known for its unique numbing and tingling sensation. It's actually a berry, not a true pepper, and it's a cornerstone of authentic Sichuan cuisine. This spice creates what's called the ma la sensation, which is a delightful combination of its signature, numbing effect paired with the heat from chili peppers. Understanding this unique quality is key to using it effectively in your cooking. Before incorporating Sichuan pepper into your dishes, proper preparation is crucial. First, toast the whole peppercorns in a dry pan over medium-low heat for about 3 to 5 minutes. This step really brings out their fragrant oils and deepens their flavor. Once toasted and cooled, grind them into a coarse powder. Remember to remove any tiny black seeds or stems beforehand to ensure the purest and most pleasant numbing sensation in your final dish. When it comes to cooking with Sichuan pepper, timing is everything. For the best flavor and numbing effect, add the ground peppercorns towards the very end of your cooking process. It harmonizes beautifully with other classic Sichuan ingredients like chili peppers, garlic, and ginger. A good starting point is using 1 to 2 teaspoons for a noticeable, but not overwhelming, numbing sensation. You can also infuse cooking oil with whole peppercorns for a fantastic aromatic base. Sichuan pepper is a star in many beloved dishes, including the famous mapo tofu and savory dan dan noodles. To keep your peppercorns fresh and potent, store them whole in an airtight container, away from direct light and heat. Always remember to adjust the amount you use to suit your own taste for that unique numbing sensation. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try adding it to marinades or sprinkling it as a finishing spice over roasted meats for an exciting twist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.